Hello friends. Spring has finally arrived and many residents have gone to their dacha sites. Some are just resting in the dacha sites and some are working. And one of the most basic tools for working in the dacha is a wood saw. I also wanted to trim a dry twig on an apple tree, but I realized that someone had trimmed the nails with this hacksaw. And now I want to share with you the way I have been sharpening this hacksaw for more than 1 year. The method is one of the simplest, that is, those people who already know how to sharpen a hacksaw. In principle, this video will be useless to them. So let's now tell you and show how I do this. For this I will need 2 bars. Well, preferably the flatter the better. Also a vise and a file with a triangular cross section. We insert our boards into the vise and insert the hacksaw itself between these boards. This is the way tool. The teeth of the saw stick out above the boards. And we clamp the vise. Look, we fixed the saw in the vise and squeezed it as hard as possible. Here the saw is not very attached, so I will tighten it with the tube. If suddenly you do not have vises, then you can use structures again and fix them to the table. This is the file I will use to sharpen my saw. As you can see, I made the handle of an old toothbrush and it's very convenient. And most importantly, that. It is very simple to make. Many believe that it is correct to sharpen a hacksaw. Only such a progressive movement forward. However, I find this method time-consuming and not superior in sharpening quality compared to mine. Therefore, look, carefully install the file. You need between 2 teeth so that 2 teeth are sharpened at once. Adjust the angle slightly and proceed. With this movement back and forth, you sharpen the hacksaw in terms of quality. I repeat, in terms of the quality of the sharpening of the tooth, it will be the same sharp for more than 1 year. The effectiveness of sharpening this hacksaw has already been tested. So, friends, we sharpened our teeth from this country, teeth sharpening through 1. Now we need to change direction and sharpen it on this side, also something then through 1 tooth. So friends, the hacksaw sharpening process took me approximately 10 to 12 minutes and was quite efficient. That is, I used to sharpen much longer. I didn't bother with the shape of my tooth. That is, this is a hacksaw for rough cutting. That is, it can saw planks of trees. So the shape of the tooth here is optional. It's a straight triangle now. Let me demonstrate this for you. Some teeth lack the correct shape. Well, you can even see that like this. They're imprisoned. And now I'll show you how this knife will cut. We will cut a bar like this. Its size is somewhere 50 by 40. Yes, by the way, my grandfather also taught me a little advice that it was most convenient and safe to start sawing. This is along the joint. That is, you don't put your finger on it, but you install it this way. Do you need to touch the joint? After you've washed it, done it and drank it, it won't fall off. You can remove your hand. So, as you saw on the wheel, it sawed wonderfully. I hope you find this method for points useful. Again, it's the easiest and fastest, so I'll say goodbye to you. See you in my next videos, everyone. Bye.